Hello, I'm a Brady printer. Thanks to my Print Smart technology, my preloaded label rolls drop in and load in seconds. Look at that, one-handed even. And now I'm ready to print. The ribbon and media cartridges talk to me, so I know exactly what's loaded on them, and I can calibrate right away. I mean, if you prefer that sort of thing. Communication is key to a lasting relationship, after all. It's cool. I'll wait. You know what? Let me help you out. Let's speed this up a little bit. There, now it's done. Oh, wait, you're kidding me, right? Now, find the right printer for your needs at this website, or call for more details today.